Hi, today I want to talk about rotary cutters and changing the blades and how to stay safe. So here's one that's closed and it's safe because you can see the yellow all the way around the blade, and here it is when it's opened and ready to use. So that's locked shut and that's ready to use. Here's one that's open and ready to use, and there it is locked shut, but yet you don't see the yellow all the way around the blade. It's not really that safe. As a matter of fact, when you look at the back, you can sort of see, if I can get it to glint in the light a little bit, you can see a little bit of the blade sticking out there. So that's dangerous, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So here's a close-up look at it again from the back, and you can see the blade is sticking out there. And it's because I can't push this any further to close it. I can open it just fine. Closing it, I just can't get it to budge any further. And that's because there's lint and stuff stuck in there. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So these are great, these Olfa cutters, because they're a quick release. You can pull the back like that and lift it up, and there's your blade. Easy to take off and put on a new one. This happens to be a new blade, but I was concerned because I couldn't lock it properly. Now if I look at this from the other side, I can see that there's lint stuck in those little channels there, which makes it hard to close all the way because of these little purple tabs can't push all the way up against that channel the way they're supposed to. So if I just reach in there with tweezers, or look at that, isn't that nasty? If I reach in with tweezers or a pin, I can pull all that stuff right out of there, and you should be able to see right through to the other side. And now this can freely move as far as it needs to move to close. So let's try this again. Let's put this back on there. Lock it in place, and voila! That is now a safe blade. So if you have trouble making your blade lock all the way when you're using this type of Olfa rotary cutter, then you need to clean out the gunk. And that's my tip for Tuesday.